Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 launcher error code 15. First, open the start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender's firewall. Then change settings. Find GTA 5, check both boxes and hit OK. If you don't see your game, click Allow another app and browse to the game folder, then check both boxes. Restart your PC and see if it works. Next, open Steam, go to your library. Right-click GTA 5, select Properties, then go to Local Files and verify integrity of game files. This will fix any corrupted files. Then open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, select Update Driver, then search automatically. Also, run Windows Security Quick Scan to check for viruses. For compatibility, right-click the GTA 5.exe, go to Properties, Compatibility, check Run as Administrator, and Apply. Finally, you can update DNS. Press Windows plus R, type the command, go to your network properties, choose IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4, set preferred DNS 8.8.8.8 and alternate 8.8.4.4. Hit OK, restart, and check. Don't forget to check for Steam updates too. That's it. Like and subscribe if it helped.